Have you ever wanted to write a song for a loved one, but didn't know how to play an instrument? Well, today
In the
on Nana's Easy
hush of a
AI, I'm going to
midnight
show you how to turn your
glow,
favorite memories into
I
professional
saw
music
you
using a tool
standing,
called
didn't
Suno.
know.
Suno is a specialized AI music creator. Now, honestly, sometimes I can't come up with lyrics or a music style off the top of my head. Can you? Probably not easily. So, we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us with that first. Then we'll just copy and paste it into Suno. It's fun, it's fast, and it's easier than you think. No piano lessons required. Let's get started and make some music together. First, we need the words for our song. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write lyrics about anything, maybe your garden, a special birthday, or even your own love story. Talk to ChatGPT just like you're talking to a music composer. The more details you give, the better and more personalized your song will be. Once the lyrics are ready, just copy them. While you're there, ask ChatGPT for a musical style suggestion. For my song, I asked for a 1960s style romantic pop ballad. Next, open your web browser and go to suno.com. If you are on your phone, you can also download the Suno app from the Play Store or the App Store. If it's your first time, click Sign In. You can use your Google account to make it easy. I always say a Google account is like a master key for all these AI sites. If you don't have one yet, it's a great time to create one. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click that big Create button. This is where the magic happens. Look for the custom mode toggle to find the lyrics box. If it's hiding, just tap the switch to show it. Paste your lyrics right there. Next is the style of music box. You could type something simple like acoustic guitar, slow, peaceful. But since we got that detailed style prompt from ChatGPT, let's paste that in instead. ChatGPT is great at creating detailed prompts that make the music sound even better. You can give your song a title if you like, but I usually skip that part and let the AI name it for me. Now, hit that big Create button. In just seconds, Suno will generate two versions of your song. It created extra two songs and asking to upgrade, but I actually have a pro plan, but because I'm on my new computer, I just need to make sure I'm signed into the right account.
In the hush of a midnight glow, I saw you standing. In the hush of a midnight glow, I saw you standing, didn't know. A moment so fleeting, but it felt.
I couldn't believe how beautiful it sounded when I first tried this, my own song, with AI's help. We really do live in a different world now. AI is opening doors for all of us. If you love what you hear, click the three dots next to the song, select Download, and choose MP3. This saves it right to your computer or phone. If it's not quite right, don't worry. Just change a few words in the style box and hit Create again. Don't be afraid to experiment. AI music is like baking. Sometimes a little tweak to the ingredients makes the perfect song. Technology moves fast, but we can move together. Subscribe to Nana's Easy AI so you never miss a simple tip to make your life easier and more creative. Thanks for watching, and God bless.
Learning AI can be easy and fun for everyone.